my name is Stacey Gilmore. I'm the Storage for SQL Solutions Marketer at HPE, and I'm here today at Microsoft Inspire to teach our Microsoft resellers and partners how to make money by selling storage solutions for SQL Server. First, our customers are telling us that they have 3 challenges. Number 1 is that they're spending too much time maintaining legacy applications, keeping the lights on, and maintaining their SQL applications. They really need to be spending more time on new things. Second, we have the cost of rapid data growth, and in particular, copies of data are now taking up more time, space, and money to store than actual production data. So this is a big, big problem for enterprises, and we're going to try to help them solve it. Third, the need for faster innovation. Enterprises want to know how they can deliver new applications and ideas to market faster than their competition. So let's take a look at what HPE offers in that area. Well, first we offer a worry-free SQL infrastructure that's going to help you speed up your cut SQL maintenance time and speed up new application projects. We cut SQL maintenance time because we are the only or the leading predictive analytics platform. We offer HPE InfoSight, which is predictive analytics for flash storage. We also offer a guaranteed 6 nines of availability from storage for the entirety of your experience with Nimble or 3PAR. I think we're the only vendor on the marketplace that does that today. Second, we offer fast and efficient copy data management for a SQL server. So we are able to shrink, dedupe, and compress your data down about 80% from where it is to start with. So this means you can afford as many data copies as you want because it's really, really cheap.